Wait, what if your all-day exhaustion and stubborn belly fat are not caused by your thyroid, hormones, or genes? What if the real culprit is in your fridge right now, something most doctors won't even mention? Number 1 is found in 90% of healthy foods, and fixing it could change everything in just a few weeks. Your liver performs over 500 essential jobs, from energy production to hormone regulation. Right now, it could be silently overloaded, causing brain fog, fatigue, inflammation, and stubborn belly fat. Hi, I'm Dr. Mamona, helping you feel better, live better, and stay well. Let's dive in. Number 1. High fructose corn syrup. High fructose corn syrup hides in soda, bread, yogurt, salad dressings, and even tonic water. Excess fructose turns directly into fat inside the liver, increasing insulin resistance and belly fat. Recommended approach: eat whole fruits instead of juice. Fiber slows sugar absorption and protects your liver. Number 2. Vegetable and seed oils. Corn, soybean, canola, and cottonseed oils are ultra-processed and high in omega-6 fatty acids. In excess amounts, omega-6 can promote chronic inflammation. This can force the liver to work non-stop to manage inflammatory stress. Recommended approach: switch to olive oil or avocado oil, which contain healthy monounsaturated fats. Olive oil supports healthy liver enzymes and natural detox pathways. Cook at moderate heat to preserve nutrients. And avoid deep frying. Reusing oil multiple times can create toxic compounds that are harmful to the liver. Here is what works: steam or bake your vegetables instead of frying them. This reduces stress on your liver and supports better overall health. Number 3. Soy Protein Isolates. Soy protein isolates in bars, shakes, and veggie burgers can overload liver hormone detox pathways. Recommended approach: choose real proteins like eggs, lean chicken, fish, beans, and lentils. Include fermented soy occasionally like tempeh or miso. They are liver-friendly. Number 4. Maltodextrin. This common additive can spike your blood sugar even faster than table sugar. It's frequently hidden in processed snacks, protein powders, and packaged sauces, so it is vital to check your labels carefully. This forces the liver into constant fat storage mode. Recommended approach: pair carbohydrates with protein or fiber to reduce blood sugar spikes. Number 5. Acetaminophen, also called paracetamol or Tylenol. It can drain glutathione, your liver's master antioxidant. Glutathione helps detoxify drugs and toxins in the body. Taking high doses or using it daily depletes your liver's protective system. Always stay within the recommended dose in milligrams per day. Never exceed the maximum daily dose. Consult your doctor if you need frequent pain relief. Here is what works. Recommended approach: consider ice packs or physical therapy for pain management. This reduces reliance on pain relievers and supports liver health. Number 6. Monosodium Glutamate. MSG overexcites liver cells, sparks inflammation, and can promote fat deposition. Recommended approach: season naturally with herbs like garlic, ginger, and turmeric, which support liver detox. Cooking at home allows you to control hidden additives like MSG. Number 7. Whey protein powders. Most whey powders spike insulin and can cause gut inflammation if you're dairy sensitive. Recommended approach: choose unflavored, minimally processed powders or whole food proteins. Whole foods like salmon, eggs, beans, and lentils are ideal. These choices help your liver metabolize nutrients more naturally. Here is what works. Combine protein with vegetables and healthy fats to reduce insulin spikes and support better liver health. Number 8. Aflatoxins. Aflatoxins are mold toxins found on peanuts, corn, and grains. You can't see or taste them, yet they can harm the liver. Warm, humid storage raises the risk of contamination. Recommended approach: choose fresh, high-quality nuts and grains. Store them in cool, dry, sealed containers. Rotate pantry items regularly. Limiting exposure supports your liver's natural detox. Here is what works. Roasting peanuts can slightly reduce aflatoxins, but proper storage and careful selection protect your liver best. Number 9. Excess omega-6. Too much omega-6 from processed foods and grain-fed meat flips your body into chronic inflammation mode. Recommended approach: swap for omega-3 sources like salmon, chia, and flax seeds. Balanced fats help your liver process fats efficiently and reduce inflammation. Number 10. Hidden sugar alternatives. Artificial sweeteners like sucralose, maltitol, and some stevia blends stress your liver. Recommended approach: focus on whole foods and natural sweeteners sparingly. Read ingredient labels and reduce zero-sugar processed foods. Your liver can fully regenerate if you give it a break. Start by cutting the 10 hidden liver stressors. Fill your plate with cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, kale, and Brussels sprouts. They boost detox enzymes and increase glutathione, your liver's master antioxidant. Try intermittent fasting. Skipping food for 12 to 16 hours lets the liver deep clean. Autophagy. Many notice steadier energy, clearer thinking, and a trimmer waist in a few weeks. Stay consistent. Small daily habits compound. Your liver adapts quickly with your support. Hydration is key. Here is what works. Skip sugary drinks. Choose water to support daily detox. No magic pills or cleanses needed. Start small. Your daily choices matter. Stay consistent and comment one change you'll make today. Share it to stay accountable. Your liver quietly powers your energy, metabolism, hormones, and overall health. Protect it now. Feel alive again. Within weeks, your body will thank you. Consistency rebuilds liver function and improves your life. Here is what works. Start small, stay consistent. Your liver will reward you with energy, clarity, and better health.
Thank you for watching. For more clinical insights into your wellness, subscribe to the channel. My verified credentials are listed in the description. Stay healthy.